Hello there and welcome to this English comprehension task. This particular task is all about memory and how to memorize people's names. So there are two types of memory. There's a short-term memory and there's also a long-term memory. And sometimes people actually find it very difficult to memorize people's names over the long term. Now, every single day we're bombarded with so much information, whether it's information in our studies in school, or it's information while we're working, or it's information coming from the TV set, computer games, or from our family members. And sometimes it gets very difficult to memorize and remember certain important bits of information. This particular task gives you an idea of how you can improve your memory skills going forwards. There are some questions straight after this task that you need to answer. So good luck with this, and we'll discuss this in our next class and go through all the questions together. Good luck and take care.